In this tutorial, I will show you that how you can uninstall Microsoft Store and Microsoft apps in just few easy steps. It will work in Windows 10 and 11 both. You can click on this start button and open settings from here. Open apps from here and it will show you this app and features list where you can search app. Like I will searching this Microsoft Store. You can open it. You can see here. If we try to uninstall it from here, it's not working. But to uninstall this, close it and open Google and search for High-Bit Software Uninstaller. You can open it and download its portable version. After downloading, it will show here in your downloads. You can open it from here. You can right click on that and extract it here. Then open it and install it. After installing it, it will show you this type of dashboard. Now, to uninstall Microsoft Store or Microsoft apps, you can scroll a bit and here you'll find this Microsoft Store. Select it and in the right bottom side, you'll find this uninstall selected. Click here and it will show you the selected apps that you want to uninstall and click on start. It will start uninstalling it. And now if we search here this Microsoft, it's not showing because we have just uninstalled it. So that's the easiest process to uninstall Microsoft Store or Microsoft apps in Windows 10 and 11 in just few easy steps.